Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? Or perhaps why popcorn pops? Indeed, the world is full of everyday marvels that we often take for granted. Today, we dive into the science behind 5 such fascinating phenomena. First, let's explore the azure expanse above us. The sky appears blue because of a process called Rayleigh scattering. As sunlight, which is a mixture of all colors, travels through Earth's atmosphere, it collides with molecules and tiny particles, scattering light in all directions. Blue light, due to its shorter wavelength, scatters more than other colors, painting the sky in shades of blue. Next, we turn to the humble popcorn. When you heat popcorn kernels, the water inside them turns into steam, building up pressure. The hard shell of the kernel can withstand quite a bit of this pressure. But as the temperature increases, the pressure becomes too much, causing the kernel to explode and turn inside out, giving us the fluffy popcorn we all love. Our third everyday marvel is static electricity. Ever noticed how a balloon rubbed against your hair will stick to the wall? That's static electricity in action. Rubbing the balloon against your hair transfers electrons, tiny negatively charged particles, from your hair to the balloon. This makes the balloon negatively charged. When you bring it near a wall, the negative charges in the balloon push the electrons in the wall away, leaving behind positive charges. The balloon then sticks to the wall because opposite charges attract. Now, consider the simple act of boiling water. Ever wonder why it makes that distinctive sound? The noise you hear is actually tiny bubbles of water vapor collapsing under the pressure of the surrounding liquid. As the water heats up, steam bubbles form at the bottom of the pot. These bubbles rise and cool down as they reach the cooler water at the top, causing them to implode, creating that familiar sound. Finally, we look at why leaves change color in the fall. Leaves are green because of chlorophyll, which helps plants make food through photosynthesis. But as daylight hours decrease in the fall, plants produce less chlorophyll, allowing other pigments like carotenes and anthocyanins to show. These pigments give leaves their beautiful autumn hues of orange, yellow, and red. In summary, from the blue sky to popping popcorn, static electricity to the boiling of water, and the changing colors of leaves, science is at play in every facet of our daily lives. These phenomena, as ordinary as they may seem, are governed by complex scientific principles, reminding us that there's always more to learn and discover about the world around us. So the next time you gaze at the sky, munch on popcorn, or sip a hot cup of tea, take a moment to appreciate the science behind these everyday marvels.